Ka Bharti Foundation ka badai ka kynhun jong ka Bharti Enterprise ka baju trei ban kyntiew ki skul bat ka pule puthi mynta ka sngi kala plie paidbah ïaka Satya Bharti Quality Support Program naka bynta ban ïarap ban sdang kyntiew bat pynbit pynbiang ïaki Ri-Bhoi tylli ki skul bala ïarap da ka sorkar Ri-Bhoi District naka bynta plie haduh snem kynthih. Katei ka Satya Bharti Quality Support Program Katei ka bala sdang naduh snem hajar rio da ka jingtmu ban pynbit pynbiang bat ban kynthih ya ka pule ka puthi haki skul bala ïarap da ka sorkar ringkat ka jinge trei lang bat ka sorkar bat kampet kerpang ya ki khna kynthih khnang ba ki skul kynthih shaprang ban ya ringkat ru bat ka ni ka juk ba mynta ba ki khna kin long kluit mensim bat ban yar ka jingmut jing perkhan. Katei ka sngi ka kong Mary Lingra ka badai ka State Pedagogy Coordinator SSA SEMAM kala shim bynta kum ka kongsan ka jinge don lang u Dr. Vincent Nyang lang u belong District Mission Coordinator Ri-Bhoi District kum usembut kongsan kong Paidolin El Nonglait District School Education Officer ka Ri-Bhoi District u Lieutenant Colonel VP Singh u belong Regional Head of Bharti Foundation ka Mamta Saikia ka Chief Executive Officer Bharti Foundation bat ki weki officer ne ki tanat pule puthi ka jila.
Introduced by our honorable MP, like you have heard, Sir Vincent Palam. So these program it worked out very well in West Chandia Hills and East Chandia Hills. If you see there, the report which Bharti Foundation had done, which they had done in those two districts. They have changed I have seen the classroom, the training of teachers, even the schools, everything, it's like the transformation of the school. So I request each teachers to welcome this type of programs in the district. I just like to highlight a bit about the performance grading index. I think you all know about this PGI. So these performance grading index, our state ranked the lowest from all especially the northeastern states. So we say that most of the time we used to say Shillong is the education hub. So with the release of this report, the PGI report released by the center, we feel that Shillong is not, we should not say anymore that Shillong is the education hub of all the northeastern states. So we can see many problems if you see the PGI report, which the center had released recently during 2021. You can see the attendance of teachers is very low, the attendance of the students, then the teaching, learning in the classroom, especially the learning outcomes of the students and their performance, is very low.
Factory is a huge factory. So education is not a factory of manufacturing things or materials or even manufacturing human beings, but we have a very great to say that education is a part and parcel to manufacture the character, to manufacture the discipline, to manufacture the quality, and also to search for the talents of the students, whether in the district or in the state and also in the country as a whole. So therefore, I, on behalf of education in this district, Ri-Bhoi, I welcome everyone who are willing to work with education, whether the Bharti Foundation, or any other foundation or society to come and work together to produce a better qualities of students in this district. As you know that this district is an aspirational district. The district is lagging behind of all the districts in Meghalaya. So, therefore, today, as I have said, that education is a huge factory. So welcome everyone, welcome the principal, because you are the one who can find out the talents, who can find out the best students and produce the best citizens for the future of the state.
Also, call to MP Vincent Pala if this program could be brought to Ri-Bhoi District. And when the previous DC, Kurba, was here, we even met her once. If this program could be started here. So it was not a new program to the education department when I was the SDSEO at that time. It is something which was very much in my mind, and I came to know through the people of Bharti Foundation what a lot of things they have done in East Jaita Hills, and I wanted by any means it should be brought to Ri-Bhoi. And when it was given an opportunity for the Bharti Foundation to survey, some 67 schools were given. And I said, the schools are not only around Nongpo which need this program. Why not in Umroi and Bhoi area, which are equally important area, and education in that area is also at par with this main route of Nongpo and Umsni. We see at the result, we are in no way in Eastern Ri-Bhoi inferior. So, to my suggestion, actually, the Bharti Foundation has made a survey of more than 100 schools they have surveyed, and they have taken around 15 schools from Umroi Bohardong area, and then from Umling and Umsling 15. So I am happy that it is somewhat well spread. Then I was suggesting, what about the Jerang? They said Jerang is very far. According to the norm, it should be only around 45 kilometers radius from Nongpo. That's why Jerang is somewhat left out according to the norm suggested by the Bharti Foundation. My point of view, actually, when I look at this, though we have a little bit of unpleasant move, we call Kongmeri somehow that the SPD should approve these 30 schools before we launch the program.